Hey guys, hope you're alright. Today I hit my daily loss limit, but that's okay. I'm proud of it because I respected my rules and I stopped trading after that. So let's get into the first trade. As you can see on screen, this was my first trade. The video is sped up on 3x speed. The trade was based on a overnight high sweep during London, but what I didn't take into account when I entered the trade is that I didn't take into account the previous day point of control just above us, and you can see that that was a magnet for price and we went straight ahead and hit it. I didn't wait for a 1 minute candle close so I can see the reaction, and you can see the CVD was just pushing higher and higher. So I should have done things a bit more differently and I should have been a bit more patient. My stop loss placement was okay, but as I saw that price was just pushing higher and higher, I knew that we weren't going to get a reaction anytime soon. So I just decided, yeah, let me just get out of this trade and wait for the next one. And in the same place on the chart, we made a higher high and a lower low on the CVD chart. So that's a bearish divergence. We didn't have enough power to push higher and we made a higher high on lower buying power. So this is a sell signal for this entry. So I entered again with one contract and I placed my stop above the high. After being patient a little bit, the trade went into my direction, but you will see that I closed it prematurely because I had a dentist appointment. So I wasn't in the mood for just like forcing or waiting, or yeah, the move went a lot higher. We went and tested the view up. You can't even see the view up on the chart in this video. It was a bit lower, but yeah, it would have been like a $500 or $600 move, a big move. I just didn't capitalize the whole move. I could have just let my limit exit order on the screen and just come back to when I come back from the dentist. But sometimes when I did that, a ghost order is placed, and yeah, I just try to avoid that. So that's why I closed this trade for profit. And the last trade I didn't record because I had another clip recorded today, and I'm just gonna talk you through it. It was a news trade based on the data release that we had today, 1 hour before New York Open. And it was the GDP release, and it was exactly as predicted, the data, and that made price go bullish. So I was expecting price to go higher and have a bullish reaction. But the thing that made me lose this trade is the fact that I entered with a 3 contract position. So because I entered with such a big position, it meant that I didn't have enough wiggle room until I hit my daily loss limit. So price just wicked me out of the trade. The account got auto liquidated because I set my daily loss limit to 400. I even lost 500 actually because I got slipped. And afterwards, price just bounced from exactly the low, and that was the point from which we never came back to in the chart. So that was not the low of the day, but that was a point, a pivot in today's price action, and from which price just went higher and higher and higher. So yeah, kind of disappointing, but I'm proud of the fact that I respected my rules. And tomorrow when I look back, I know that today I've been impatient, and hopefully this will be fresh in my mind and I won't make the same mistakes twice again. And I'll have this account for another trading day. So kudos to that. I'm pretty happy. I'm going to respect my rules, and as you saw on screen, I have my rules written down. The first rule is my daily loss limit has to be 400 a day. So that means trading with 1 contract, and if I take 2 losing trades, that's it, I'm going to stop. So I'm just going to wait for the best setups and nothing less. Yeah, I'm going to trade tomorrow, the New York again, and I'll see you then. Have a good one.